Welcome to Marine Geek YouTube channel. This is Swapnil Tamanka, Chief Engineer, and let's begin with our new video, Ask Marine Geek. This is episode number 8. Lot of frequently asked questions for you. Let's get into the first query, how to remove your high voltage limitation stamp on your COC. So for that matter, the candidate engineers has to undergo your high voltage course, either operational or management level, depending upon what kind of COC he has. After you have done the high voltage course in any maritime training institute, you have to get this stamp removed in a completely offline manner only. There is no way by which you can do this procedure in online method. You have to pay 3000 rupees to that concerned MMD, and in the remarks you have to clearly mention that you are going to remove or you are going to pay this particular fees for the purpose of high voltage stamp removal. Once you have generated the receipt using Bharat Kosh or NTRP website, I have already done the video on the same. Please do check out. The link for that video will be coming right now. Just go head on straight away to MMD, tell them to give the high voltage limitation stamp removal form, attach your fee payment receipt, your original COC and a normal passport endorsed CDC as required, and get that high voltage limitation stamp removed and get back your COC on the same day at between 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. The timings will differ depending upon how the MMD functions. So get on straight and remove that high voltage limitation stamp immediately. Regarding the COC revalidation video, which was done in the month of April, I got a query whether a deck officer or an electrotechnical officer or electrical officer also has to do this RUT course or not. Then the simple answer is no. This RUT course is to be done only for engineers alone. Deck officers and ETO are kept out of this trouble completely. So there goes, you have to completely directly apply for your new COC without the RUT course. Please like and subscribe the video if you haven't done so far. Your next query is how to add place of birth in your CDC. The detailed procedure is as follow. Here, watch this particular section very carefully. You have to write a self application to the shipping master's office. It can be handwritten or can be typed as well. The format of what has to be written, etc., the complete application is given in this particular video's description. The link will be given for you to download. Just click on that link and you will be getting that application. You can edit with your name, your CDC number, passport number, endorsed number given in that particular application, and dispatch it to that respective shipping master which has given you that CDC. So it can be MMD Mumbai, it can be MMD Chennai, MMD Kolkata. Along with that envelope in which you are going to send that application, you have to send your original CDC, passport Xerox or photostat, endorsed copy photostat. MMD Mumbai is not insisting to have a 100 rupees self-addressed envelope. So if you want to send a self-addressed envelope of 100 rupees, it is good to go. MMD Chennai is asking to put a 100 rupees self-addressed envelope. The CDC place of birth has been added in your CDC booklet at the end of your additional blank pages. They will put all the required original documents, which is your CDC, back in your self-addressed envelope and send it back to your home via speed post. The addresses of respective shipping master's office, that is your MMD Mumbai or SMO Mumbai, SMO Chennai and SMO Kolkata, is given in the description of this video. I hope this video has solved a lot of queries which creep up or come up in the minds heads of all the mariners, where you are not going to get any kind of solutions from any kind of MMD, and that is where Marine Geek has come into the picture. Please like this video if you haven't done so far, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to press that bell notification next to it. Stay safe, stay secure. Thank you very much. God bless. This is me, Chief Engineer Swapnil Tamankar, signing off.